So it's March, and what can we sow in the garden in March? So I've been gathering these seeds from around the polytunnel, and we found a few seeds that we can grow during March. The broad beans, early varieties like Sutton to Monica, they can be sown directly outside in March. Beetroots is another crop that can be sown in the lower temperatures in March, along with carrots. Choose an early maturing variety like Amsterdam Forcing, and you can get those in the ground in March. Also chicory, sow seeds direct in the ground in March for a summer harvest, along with some chards. Swiss chard, it's beautiful and easy to grow, a leafy green that can be sown in March, harvested throughout the year. Also spinach. Spinach is a great source of vitamins. Spinach can be grown directly outdoors in March for continuous harvest. Spring onions. Spring onions can be directly sown in the ground in March for a nice, quick and easy crop. Turnips. Got no turnips. Sow seeds in rows 30 centimeters apart. And kohlrabi. Got some kohlrabi somewhere. Kohlrabi is the unusual fast maturing vegetable. Can be sown outdoors in March. Remember to provide plenty of water, but with this rain we don't exactly need that. So indoors can be sweet peppers. Start the seeds indoors in March for transplanting out in early spring or early summer. Tomatoes, similar to peppers, sow your tomato seeds indoors in March for transplanting later. And cucumbers. Tender vegetables like cucumbers benefit from starting early indoors in March, transplanting outdoors later. So I'm just going to plant a few of these in the garden. These are going to sit in the polytunnel and grow on nicely in here. I'm just going to do salad leaves, quick sprinkle on top, and then cover salad leaves. I've got no labels, so I'm going to have to make do until I get some labels. So that's the salad leaves done. So one job. Next one I'm going to do is cauliflower. And I'm going to use this module. It's nice and easy. Don't need lots of compost, and it's really tough. There's a video. I'll put a link on the description. But cauliflower all year round. Going to do that in this tray, along with some beetroot. Not many in there. Try and get one in each, but that's not going to happen. There we go. Sown. Already lost the pen. Cauliflower Oh yeah, stick it in the hole. So just when I know where they are. Next what I'm going to do is the beetroot. It can be sown outside, but my compost is, my allotment is so wet, not even going to think about it. So I'm just going to put a couple of these in each. And that's the beetroot. Always put them over the packet, over the tray. Any remaining falls out. So these are going to be sown in batches of 3, 4. They're just going to go straight out. And that is cylindria. When you're on an allotment, just got to compromise with what you got. Wasn't a planned trip today as it's raining. I just thought I'd come down, got a few bits. So the last line I'm going to do is some spinach. Two lines. And that's the spinach. Quick cover over. Little label. There we go. So it's good to get stuff done, and it's great having an opportunity when not expecting it. So I'm going to do a tray of spring onions, and I'm using a tray rather than a module just so they can grow and picked out nice and easy. Scatter, that's it, quick and easy, job done. Spring onion, white Lisbon. Label. There we go. Then we're going to get a drop of water. Next one I'm going to do is some salad leaves, and they're going to sit on a cell tray, just on a flat tray with holes in. There we go. Speedy mix. This is always speedy. Speedy. There we go. So I'm going to use that as a label. Speedy mix. Speedy, speedy. There we go. Cover. There we are. Speedy, speedy. And the leeks. I'm going to do leeks. I'm just doing leeks in a flower pot, all on their own. Just a pot, save space, and they will grow perfectly well, and it will give loads of space for the roots to go down. There we go, quick sprinkle, leeks, might as well do the rest, and then cover with the multi-purpose. So there we go, that's a few sowings in the allotment, and that is musselburgh. And a label. So I'm going to give all these a drop of water, and they're going to sit on the polytunnel. Peas can be done in a tray. Carrots can be done directly outside. Leeks, and there we go. That's our growing for March. Done. So let me know in the comments, what are you growing in March? Have you started anything yet? Let me know, and that'd be great. I'm going to put these on the polytunnel shelf, ready to grow. Cheers!